Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty with a truly expert perspective. Today I'm talking about something that often flies under the radar, but can truly elevate your whole look: a nail polish. But not just any nail polish. This one's from OPI, known for their signature shades and long-lasting formulas. So let's take a closer look at the OPI Nail Lacquer in the shade You Lilac It. Now, OPI is a brand that's practically synonymous with high-quality nail products. And when it comes to this specific shade, You Lilac It, we're looking at a soft yet vibrant opaque light purple creme that has a lot of potential. But does it live up to its reputation? Let's find out. This nail polish is formulated to be chip-resistant, which immediately piqued my interest. Nobody has time for a manicure that chips after just a couple of days. So I was eager to see how this held up. At 15 milliliters per bottle, it's a standard size, but I did appreciate the packaging. It's simple, sleek, and easy to handle. The dimensions are compact, so it doesn't take up much space in your beauty drawer, which is always a plus. Now let's talk about the application. I found it surprisingly easy to work with. The formula is smooth and glides on without streaking, which, as you know, is a huge win in the nail polish world. I didn't notice any heavy or thick texture, and the polish spread evenly with just 2 coats. It dried quickly, which is another fantastic feature for anyone who's always in a rush. No need to sit around waiting forever for your nails to dry. In terms of performance, I really put it to the test. After applying the nail polish, I went about my usual activities, typing, cooking, even cleaning a bit, and I have to say, I was impressed. The chip resistance lived up to the promise. My nails stayed smooth and intact for several days, which is a real win for a creme finish. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, if you're someone who's expecting an ultra-glossy, high-shine finish, you might want to layer a top coat over it. While the creme finish is lovely and smooth, it's not as reflective as some gel polishes or more high-shine formulas. It's a personal preference, but something to consider. On the flip side, the fact that it's free from animal-derived ingredients is a major plus for anyone who values cruelty-free products. Plus, it's made without harmful chemicals, so it's a good option if you're looking for a more skin-friendly polish. When it comes to value for money, I think this is priced reasonably considering the quality. OPI is a reputable brand, and the longevity and ease of use that this polish offers certainly justify the price tag. You're getting a professional-grade polish without the salon cost, which is always a win. Now, if you're someone who loves to experiment with nail colors and wants something with a bit more edge, this shade might feel a little tame. However, if you're after a chic, wearable color that can transition well between seasons, You Lilac It could be exactly what you need. Let's take a moment to compare it to a couple of other options. There are several brands offering similar purple shades, but OPI's formula tends to outshine others in terms of wear time and finish. That being said, if you're on a budget, brands like Essie or Sally Hansen offer solid alternatives, although you may not get the same level of chip resistance or smooth application. In terms of packaging, it's your standard OPI bottle. Nothing extravagant, but it's sturdy and secure. I do appreciate that the cap is ergonomic, making it easy to grip and apply the product with precision. Overall, I'm quite pleased with this nail polish. It delivers on its promise of chip resistance, dries quickly, and has a beautiful, rich color payoff. It's ideal for someone who wants a reliable, long-lasting nail color that's both wearable and elegant. So, would I recommend it? If you're after a soft, polished look that will last for several days without major chips, OPI's You Lilac It is definitely worth trying out. If you prefer something more bold or edgy, you might want to explore other options in OPI's extensive color range, or look into other brands. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss out on more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. And if you've tried this shade, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out.